Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix freezing and stuttering issues in Diablo 4. So first is to update your drivers. One of the most common causes of stuttering and freezing in games is an outdated or corrupted graphics driver. So make sure to download the latest drivers from your graphics card manufacturer's website to avoid any problems. So next is to use compatibility mode. Try running Diablo 4 in compatibility mode to see if this helps. Right click on the Diablo 4 executable file and select properties. In the properties window, click on the compatibility tab and check the box next to run this program in compatibility mode. Next is to use a game booster. Game boosters like Lego Fast can optimize your PC and reduce the number of crashes. They can help identify and close unnecessary background processes that may be causing the problem, freeing up more of your CPU's resources and improving your gaming speed. So next is to uninstall and reinstall the game. If you're still experiencing the problem, try to uninstall and reinstall Diablo 4 Beta. This will ensure that any corrupted game files are removed and replaced with new ones. And of course, check if your system meets the requirements. So ensure that your PC meets the minimum hardware requirements for Diablo 4 Beta. If your system does not meet the requirements, the game may not work correctly and you may face issues like Diablo 4 stuttering and freezing. So those are the things that you should remember in order to prevent or fix the issue. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.